If your car jack starts to tilt or sink while you are lifting your vehicle, you have a dangerous lack of stability caused by soft ground. You must stop what you are doing and lower the car back down immediately because the jack is about to kick out and drop the car. This happens because a standard scissor jack or a small hydraulic bottle jack focuses several thousand pounds of pressure onto a very small metal base. When you place that tiny footprint on hot asphalt, soft dirt, or loose gravel, the ground yields under the immense weight. The jack base sinks, the lift angle changes, and the car becomes a falling hazard. Attempting to keep lifting once the jack starts to lean is a mistake that leads to vehicle damage or severe injury. To fix this, you need to spread the weight out over a larger area. First, lower the vehicle back down to the ground to get the weight off the unstable jack. Pull your parking brake handle up as far as it will go and place heavy wheel chocks or large rocks behind the tires on the opposite end of the car to stop it from rolling. The most important step for a safe lift on soft ground is to create a wide and solid foundation. You should place a flat, thick piece of wood, like a 2x4 board, or a heavy-duty rubber floor mat directly underneath the base of the jack. This increases the surface area, so the weight of the car does not push the metal base into the dirt. You must also make sure you have parked the car on the hardest and most level spot of ground available before you start. Always remember to loosen the lug nuts slightly while the tire is still touching the ground, so that the force of your wrench does not shake the car off the jack once it is in the air. If you ignore a sinking jack, the tool will eventually shoot out sideways and the car will fall. Taking these steps ensures you stay in control of the repair and keep the vehicle steady. Keep a sturdy wooden board in your trunk to prevent a slip next time you have a flat tire. Check your trunk for a board today to stay safe.